What's up, guys? Chase from Metagang here. We're going to do a Rage Brawl pack opening. I think we got about 17 or so. So let's go ahead and break on into it real quick. I haven't got to open much of this, so I'm kind of excited for this. Alright, so first pack, we got Left Arm Offering. Awesome little reprint. Emperor Granule. Boon of Book. Oh, it is Boon. Boon of the Mechalord Emperor. I am new to that entire deck still. Then we got the Astro Dragon. And for our rare, we got a Reactor Slime. Wow. It's a cool little rare for us to get already.
Yeah, I like that one.
Alright, next we got Weisel, Resolute, Monster Reborn. Always nice to have more of those. We got a Genzo. And then to go with that, we got the Psychic Mega Cyber. Mega Cyber. So, it's awesome too of the Genzo deck right there. This corners always give me trouble. Alright, we got another Genzo, Jurigito, another Left Arm Offering, Psychic Shockwave, and for a rare we got Cosmos Channeling. Now this is a deck that I'm really looking forward to eventually playing. I'm huge on nostalgia, so I'm loving all these Genzo pulls that we're getting. It's a corner again. Alright, we got Mind Control, Reboot, and we got Brain Control. We got a super this time. We got Mechalord Assembly. Not really sure. Is that new? Or is that a reprint?
I think it's a new one.
Huh. Oh. For our rare, we got Mercury the Destructor. Awesome. We have not seen many of those pulled yet, so that's great to see one. Alright, we got Jurigito, Psychic Shockwave, Metal Reflect Slime. We got another super rare. We got the Mechalord Emperor Weisel Synchro Absorption. Pretty sure that is a new one.
Oh yeah.
And
that's pretty.
Yeah, it's one of the sought after Mechalord cards. And for our rare, we got Mountain Bound Creator. Interesting, reprint again.
Yeah, we'll take it.
Alright, next we got Genzo Ejector, Holding Arms, Raw's Disciple, and we pulled an ultra rare this time, guys. We got the True Name.
Oh my.
That is one of the best reprints of the entire set, in my opinion. I used to run a Winged Dragon of Raw deck, and that was the card I was missing. So that's an amazing reprint. And then for our rare, we got the Cyber Electric Shock. Show off that True Name, though. That's beautiful.
That's beautiful indeed.
Alright, we got Genzo Returner, Token Sunday, Chaos Infinity. Very, very backwards card because I'm pretty sure it's Mechalord, and yeah, and it's a Chaos.
Well, okay.
Then we got Reboot, and we got Mechalord Deflection.
That's really cool looking.
Yeah, that is a neat looking card. These Mechalords have really interested me. I know they were kind of huge when they first came out, but then completely died off, so it's kind of exciting. We're doing pretty good though. We already got what, 2 supers and an ultra?
Yeah, we're cooking.
Alright, let's see. We got Psychic Shockwave, Army of Weisel, Army of Granule, Best Genzo reprint, Amplifier.
Oh my.
Awesome. And then we got Mech Lord Astro the Eradicator. One of their nifty looking trap cards. Moving through these pretty quick. We got 8 down.
Okay. About halfway through.
Yeah, just about. Ugh. Let's see. Army of Weisel. So there's a playset of him. Got a Brain Control. Got Holding Arms. And would you believe it? We got another super rare.
No.
Mech Lord Army Deployer Obligado.
Oh my goodness.
So these Mech Lords are really starting to shine for us. And we got another Mech Lord Deflection.
Okay. We'll play Mech Lords, I guess.
Yes, seems like it. Alright, we got Brain Control, Left Arm Offering, Emperor Granule, Boon of the Mech Lord Emperor, and our third Mech Lord Deflection.
Okay. Well,
Awesome. So, Mech Lords it is, right?
yeah, I guess so. I'll have to break out the sleeves for some Mech Lords.
Alright. Alright, now we got Emperor's Skill, another Raw's Disciple, Holding Legs, and oh my god, we got another Ultra. We got Genzo the Machine Menace. That is awesome. One of the coolest cards they've ever made for Genzo. I mean, he is brutal.
I got a Genzo!
Yeah. And our rare is a Wild Monster Appears. Another amazing reprint. It's never really been all that much, but I mean, you never see it. And this definitely needed a reprint, but man, I think that's probably one of the best ultras we could pull right now. Alright, we got Reboot, Metal Reflex Line, another Amplifier, Returner, and another Wild Monster Appears.
Heck yeah.
So cool. I mean, that thing is... I want to see more of it.
Yeah. Need more of it.
Yes, absolutely. Need the overflow. Alright, we got our third Amplifier. Awesome.
Let's go Genzo.
Monster Reborn, Mech Lord Army, Emperor Weisel, another Mech Lord Deflection. I think Mech Lords are calling for it.
I guess so.
Alright, so we got Emperor Weisel, Army of Granule, Amplifier, another Monster Reborn. Amazing. Again, I love seeing the reprints of that. And we also got another Mounted Bound Creator. So, I mean, if you don't have the higher rarity of it, there's your up rare for the Phantasm Beast.
Which I think is a good deck.
It can be. I mean, it's very like strict on the ratios, but I mean, it can definitely be amazing. We got Resolute Mech Lord Army, Emperor Weisel, Token Stampede, Mech Lord Astro Mechanical, and another Mech Lord Deflection.
Oh my.
Wow, so I think that's what, 5 of those?
Yeah.
Jeez. Put these over here now. These damn corners. Alright, we got another Reboot. Emperor Weisel. And there he is. Genzo Lord. I've been waiting to see him. We got another Genzo and another Mega Cyber right behind it. So look at that. 3 Genzos right in a row.
We got Genzos.
Want to see more. But sadly, we are down to our last pack. See if we can get either that Ghost Rare or even just the alternate art.
I'll take some more Mechlords.
Yeah, I mean, even that would be great. We got a Jurgito. Left Arm Offering. Psychic Shockwave. And we got an Ultra Rare. But our rare I'm going to show you first. We got our 3rd Wild Monster appears. So that's cool. But we got Roth over here that just, you know, let's go Mechlord. We got Mechlord, Astro Dragon, Triskelion. That thing is beastly looking.
Oh yeah.
That's so cool looking. Alright, well, I guess let's see that Mechlord profile soon.
Yeah, for real.
Alright guys, so this is our pack opening. See you later.
Like and subscribe to Metagame. Hit the bell icon.
That shit sharp, for the light you give yo. Trucking up all night you, for the light you give yo.